Okay, so today I want to uh, make a tutorial for build a PC. Okay, because okay, I don't have a PC in my house, so I will uh, I will build PC from this game. The name is PC Building Simulator. Okay, the first step you must to um, prepare the case, yeah, the case. I will take this and I will bring it to and place this in this table. So I will open this side of case PC. Okay, okay, this is case fan. This is case fan 2. Wait. This is dust filter. Already have plugged in from the case. Okay, there's no case fan be in front of the case. So wait. Okay, okay, we open the other side again. We open this by for the hard disk. Okay, so first of all we must prepare the motherboard that yeah. Okay, so the first thing we must prepare the case and the motherboard that's suitable to your budget. So I will take no, no, because I'm a fan from AMD processor, and I will take I will take this processor and I will put in this place. Okay, after that we open the CPU handle, then we plan the CPU or processor this, and I will plan the AMD Ryzen 3 quad core 1300x to this side, and then we close the CPU window, and don't forget we must to apply the thermal paste like this, like this. Okay, after that we plan the CPU cooling fan processor. Yeah, can be that. Okay, I will take this thyroid cryo rate C1, then I will put in here. So, and then we put the memory or RAM. I'll take this. Wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, because the fan processor is too big, then I will put off the fan processor, then I will put in the RAM, the memory or RAM in this side. Two RAM. Okay, then I will apply the thermal paste again and CPU cooling, the cryo C1, this, apply. Then we must apply the graphic cards that's suitable to your budget exactly. You must, okay, then I will put this FGA GeForce GT 1030 SC at VRAM 2. Oh, before that we must to open this case part, remove again. Okay, then we install the graphic card. We apply the Asus Radeon RX 560. Apply. We remove the case part. Install this place is for the power supply. Okay, I will put the power supply of Cooler Master MWE Bronze 650. Apply. The storage. We apply 2 in this side. Close. Case fans. I like the double fan, but there's no. Okay, I will take this Corsair. Maybe I will take 2 Corsair. Okay, then we must connect the cable motherboard to PSU, connect HDD hard disk to PSU, connect hard disk to motherboard, connect motherboard to PSU again, connect the case fan to motherboard, wait, like this, connect the case to motherboard, connect the air cooler to motherboard, connect the case fan to motherboard, connect the case fan into the other case fan. Okay, then we connect this cable from the monitor in keyboard and mouse into this side, connect the PSU, connect the graphic cards. Okay, after this already planned, we must to close the PC. Wait. First thing, dust filter and front panel, side panel, PSU shroud, connect to the case part, PC unlock, 3, 4, okay, then the last side panel. Then we install the OS, then we turn on the computer to check, and it worked. See, it worked, 100% worked. Okay, so okay, if you don't put the thermoplast before the air cooler, the processor will heat and then your computer will get a blue screen. Okay, that's my tutorial. Thank you, and see you next video.